right now and take a breath, because one day it will be your last. Every single soul on earth, rich, poor, powerful, forgotten, will face death. But what happens in those first moments, the seconds after your soul leaves your body? Islam gives us a vivid picture, and it begins just 40 seconds after your final breath. When your time is up, the angel of death, Malak al-Maut, arrives. For the believer, his presence is gentle, described like a soft breeze carrying fragrance from paradise. But for the sinner, the scene is terrifying. Dark angels with harsh faces, pulling the soul out like thorns ripping through wet wool. Your body may look still to the living, but your soul has already begun its journey. And in this moment, the unseen world, Al-Ghaib, becomes more real than anything you've ever touched. Within the first 40 seconds, the soul is taken. Prophet Muhammad described that angels immediately wrap it. For the righteous, it's covered in white silk with a heavenly perfume. For the wicked, it's trapped in rough cloth with a stench worse than decay. The soul is then lifted upwards, and every angel it passes asks, "Whose beautiful soul is this?" Or, "Whose wretched soul is this?" depending on the life you lived. This is the moment that seals your true identity. Not your name, not your wealth, not your status, but your deeds. After this brief passage, the soul is returned to the body in the grave. Here begins one of the most critical moments. The questioning by Munkar and Nakir, the two stern angels. They will ask three simple but ultimate questions. 1. Who is your Lord? 2. What is your religion? 3. Who is your prophet? For the believer, the answers flow naturally. My Lord is Allah. My religion is Islam. My prophet is Muhammad. For the hypocrite and disbeliever, confusion and fear take over. They stutter, they forget, they fail. And from here, the grave transforms. For some, it opens into a garden of paradise, filled with peace and light. For others, it becomes a pit of fire, crushing and suffocating until the day of judgment. The prophet described the grave as either a window to Jannah or a window to Jahannam. And there, you wait. Your time in this world was measured in years, but in the grave, time is no longer the same. It may feel like moments, it may feel like an eternity, but every second is a reminder, the real life has only just begun. So what happens 40 seconds after you die? Your mask falls away. Your wealth, your fame, your struggles, all vanish. And only one thing remains, your deeds. Death is not the end. It's the beginning of a journey, one you've been preparing for every single day. So the question isn't what happens when you die. The real question is, are you ready for it?